Here's to presenting you a brick fence installation and front stoop repair process, as done by Con Home Improvement. Having served the greater NYC area for more than 30 years, we've perfected our craftsmanship in brickwork services. Our trained professionals aim in perfecting brick placements, switching between equal amounts of mortar and bricks. More ASM are of construction noises. Our work speaks for itself. Perfect layered brick arrangement. We're a Brooklyn-based and operated general construction company. Visit our website to learn more about us at www.conomeimprovement.com. The addition of column layered bricks add a touch of sophistication to the property. We spend our time carefully mapping out details to perfection per property. Make no mistake, it looks perfect from the interior view as well. Our craftsmanship and honesty speaks for itself in every project we complete, so don't hesitate to contact us for your next home project. Want to add a touch of sophistication to your property in NYC? Reach us out via phone call at 718-633-2220.